up, guys? This is Rob. You should know me by now. I've done enough videos where you should recognize my ugly mug. We're wrapping up Smoky Mountain Bike Week. We're gonna give you a rundown of this CVO RR. We had this out in Milwaukee. A really good customer of ours, a good buddy, owns this bike, and he brings it everywhere. I mean, this is his rider, one of his favorites, let's call it that. And this bike has 4,000 miles on it, so you know he's out riding it. When he first got it, he rode it out to Milwaukee, brought it over to us, had us put on front and rear Bro Bars. As you guys probably have heard, the carbon fiber on this thing is ridiculously expensive. I mean, talking big money. The reason he wanted them, obviously, is because our bars are known to protect paint. Plus, because it's a rider, it gives you the best lean angle in the game. I mean, we designed them about 8 years ago based off the way we ride these things, so we aren't going to build anything that's going to cause you to go down. We're going to build it to protect you in case you go down. Another thing we did to it is we put our Signature Series LaPera seat on there. LaPera builds awesome seats. He's got this seat on all his bikes. Super comfortable, built for the long haul, built for ripping. And this is Harley's ultimate ripper, right off the show floor. Inspired by the race bike that Kyle Wyman's been kind of kicking everyone's ass on this year. Here it is. We'll have this thing down at Biketoberfest. Swing by the booth, check it out. See what Harley came up with, some of their cool mid controls, primary swing arm. Well, that's it for this RR. Quick little rundown of it. Hopefully we see you guys down at Biketoberfest. That's our last rally of the year. We'll be doing free installs on Bro Bars, foot controls, and we'll still be doing our Rally Riser install special. We'll be set up at Destination Daytona, whatever, October, I think it's 17th through the 20th. Swing on by, let's talk motorcycles. Give us a like, subscribe, comment, let us know if there's anything you guys want to see. I'll see you down in Daytona.